We're going to ride every coaster at Busch Gardens Williamsburg in 10 minutes. And we're going to show you how. The park does not want you to know this. Our strategy is based on enthusiast science. There are 11 whole coasters at Busch Gardens Williamsburg, and we're going to show you how you can ride them all in 10 minutes. Come along, it'll be easy as pie. It's over 1.5 miles to walk around the park, but we have tricks and tips to help you get around so you can tackle the coasters as fast as possible. And we'll check in on our handy dandy timer so you can follow along with our progress. You might think the smartest way to traverse the park is to tackle each coaster as you come to them during your lap around the park. But we find the easiest method to tackling them is alphabetically. This is Alpengeist, which is German for Swiss coaster. For Alpengeist, you climb spiritually. I regret this already. For a polished chariot, you call a Roman god. Yes, I would like 2 tickets, please. No sandals. We were lifted spiritually. To get to the big bad wolf, the wolf's revenge, we must outrun the wolf before it outruns us. Survival 101, never stop running, especially when you're being chased by a wolf with revenge on its mind. How brave. And that's how you can survive spiritually. Time check time. Let's check on the timer. The frigid breath of the big bad wolf blew us over to Dark Castle. Ooh. We're making excellent time. Come on, let's hurry. Dark coaster is cold, dark, and haunted. But mostly cold and haunted, spiritually. This is Griffin. For Griffin, you become bird. We are aerodynamic emotionally. Griffin is the one where you wait and think about your life choices. We did that part spiritually. To reach Grover's Alpine Express, which is German for Swiss Grover Coaster, we have to shrink emotionally. Grover's Alpine Express is extremely intense if you're a 4. Thanks, Muppet Energy, we survived spiritually. Time check time! Let's check on the timer. To reach Invader, you have to invade. Invader is aggressively wooden. Now it's time to pillage. We pillage the pretzel, spiritually. And also physically. To reach Loch Ness Monster, you must summon it. Wrong size, but sufficient. Monster sighted, spiritually. This is Pantheon. Pantheon launches you forwards, backwards, and emotionally. For Pantheon, you have to go back in time. Time check time! Let's check on the timer. Well, we overshot, and now Julius Caesar's mad at us, spiritually. But at least we got to ride Pantheon. Tempesta spins you upside down until you reconsider lunge. To conquer Tempesta, we must perform a death-defying stunt.
Oh, they're close.
Let's look for the nearest bench. That bench will do. Perfect, nailed it. Notice the complete disregard for personal safety. We survived, spiritually, barely. Verbolten is known for its surprise. To get to Verbolten, we need to parkour through the dark forest. And let me tell you, the dark forest is treacherous. Look like you know what you're doing. Look like an expert. Perfect. Next, we need to perfect your jumping skills. You'll get used to it, probably. Most importantly, don't forget the forbidden turn. Well, we braved the Black Forest spiritually. Time check time! Let's check on the timer. So, those were our tips and tricks for riding all 11 roller coasters at Busch Gardens Williamsburg in 10 minutes. We hope you found them helpful, or not. We saved time by not checking the map, not waiting in line, and not boarding. I'm going to let you in on a little secret though. We did not ride every coaster. But spiritually, subscribe for our next challenge, waiting in line. April Fools. But really, we do hope you enjoyed the video. And if you did, we would appreciate it if you would give it a thumbs up. And also subscribe to the channel. Every like and subscribe is a big help to the channel. Also, please be sure to check out our socials appearing over Jen's head, Instagram and Threads. And then right below that is our email address below Jen. Please be sure to email us any questions, comments, concerns, constructive criticism. We read all of them. We appreciate any feedback that you give. So, thanks a lot for watching. Thanks for watching, but the fun's not over yet. Click the box in front of my face for another fun video, or click my tree to subscribe to our channel so you don't miss another video.